Hi everyone, this is Deborah. Today I'm showing you this Mintay door book. It's another one of the 6 by 8 inch paper pads that they've started to make, and this one's full of doors, which is just lovely. And I'm also going to make something with it. So you can see that each page has got different doors on it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different doors, and then it will repeat the pattern again. The back and front cover have got this door on it, and let's just have a look at the rest of them. So you've got 3 on that one. They're all different sizes. Some are wide, some are skinny. Back pages have all got this sort of colour tones on them: pinks, purples, peaches. Got some old doors, modern doors. It's actually quite a good book, I think. I like that one. And also, because they're doors, they'll be quite easy to cut out. So I've cut some paper, and I thought I'd make something with the little doors. So probably just something for my junk journal. Just deciding which doors I want to go for initially. So I think I'm going to do some little doors initially, and then I'll do a bigger one. So I've cut the doors down, and I just have to trim this one up, and I also have cut them in half so that I can make them into an opening door. In order to make them into an opening door, I want to keep this so that I can just stick this directly into my book when I'm ready to use it. And I've got some washi tape. Might have to change colour though, because that's a bit the wrong colour. Put this door here, and then this one can go here. I just have to see where this is going to go. Let me put the tape on it first. It's got to go on the inside. Oh no, sorry, it'll go on the outside edge of the door. Later I may have to remove this and put it on so it's a bit more solid. Okay, I had it in the right, oh no, that's right. Trying to work out where this goes. Just have to turn it over. The first one's easy to put down, but the second one you have to position it so that when you open it, you get the doors that look like that. Now I want to put something inside it, so I'm just going to work out what that something is going to be. I'm putting some paper down on the inside. It's just a scrap. It's actually got a bit of a join in it, but it will do. It'll work for what I want, which is to cover the inside of the door here. And the other thing I'm going to do, because I've got plenty of doors, is I've cut 2 more, and I thought I'd put them on the inside. So I'm thinking I can put this one here and then the one here. Just trim this off. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 door here and 1 door here, so when you open it you still see the doors on both sides. I think that would look all right. So I'll stick these down. I don't like that piece. It's got to come off. And I'm going to put another piece down. So first of all I'm going to measure this, and then I'll go and cut it. Now the little girl's going to pop. And I also have some Tim Holtz snippets to put on with her, and that makes a little cute little display when you open the doors up. Oh, they're going everywhere. I might get some flowers and put down the bottom here if I can find enough of them. Okay, that's what I've decided to put down, the paper doll and this little ABCD chart, along with the flowers I've got down the bottom. I think that looks quite cute. Now, I'll just put glue down and then we'll move on to the next one. I'm not sure why my doors don't meet now, because I measured them very carefully, unless I moved them at the time that I was pulling them out. Never mind. Okay, we'll move on and I'll make another one, and I'll try not to do that next time. But that's okay, it's not too bad, and I like that I've got the doors on the back and the front. So with this one, I'm just taking one of these vellum pictures. These are new from Tim Holtz, so you can see through them. And on the back, I'm going to cut a hole so that it comes through the front. So now I've got my doors and they will shut there. I want to put this guy in here. It's a bit crooked, but he looks all right on the front. So I think that that's going to be fine. I'll just stick some of this back over the top until I'm ready to put some more on the back here, just so it doesn't annoy me. And then on the front, I want to put the doors down. And I want them to be over the top of him, so you can't see it until such time as the doors get opened up. So I'll put some stuff down on them now. Let's put some on this one to start with. And you open it up and see that. Okay, that's not too bad. Right, let's put some on this one. Then that will open up, and then this is going to go so that it's a page in the book, or possibly a flap. I need to put something on the back though, so that it doesn't stick too much. I think I will get a wider washi tape and stick that around the edge. It'll cover the sticky that's on there at the moment. And then I'm going to put some other washi on the inside here, just to finish it off. You're going to see that when you open it up, but it's not going to be too prevalent, and that's okay. It's looking all right like that. That looks good. And you can still see, you probably can see there that I can see some of the washi that's on the back, but I don't think it's too bad. And now I'm going to put it in a book to show you what that would look like, or to actually show you what it will look like in my junk journal. I've just got one of my signatures from my travel journal out, and I will find a place to put this. Maybe I'll put it on here. And then you can still put something on this, can't you? Actually, I'm changing my mind. I'm going to put it over this piece here. So now you've got a piece that folds over like that. And then you've got little doors in here that shut up to hide him, and that goes over. So you've got lots of different things to play with here. And then I can do some hidden journaling here that won't be immediately obvious to actually open the doors and fold this up. Yeah, I think that's cute. I like that. And I've got my other one here as well, which, here it is. Can't find it right now, but here it is. I've got this one here as well, and I might put her into this book too. I'm going to put this one down here. Now I'm actually going to make this into a pocket as well. So I'm making sure that I only put tape on 3 sides, because then I can have it as a pocket on the one side. And I'll have to find something to put in it too. Okay, I'll put all that down there. And then I've got a pocket in here. And it's quite a deep pocket, so I'll have to really look for something that can go in there. So I'm wondering if the doors will fit, but no, they won't. So I just have to find something that's going to tuck right in here all the way. Because now I've got this cute little thing, and I've also got the other one. So that's it for today. That's my using my doors, and there's lots of things that I can think to do with them. So I might come back another time and show you some more ideas to use the doors. But right now I just really like them. I think they're really cool. And I'm so pleased that they've sort of put these out, because it really gives you something to play with. I mean, you could just don't have to cut them in half. You could just put doors down on your page. But I really like the idea of having them sort of, you know, cut in half so they will open up like doors. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you next time. This is Deborah. Cheers.